Who's next? Like I'm saying, one of Grapo's best producers, we call the brother Rasi. I think he's doing works with Abo Lamsh. He's doing work with Abo Skilos. Skilos has some fire coming as well. Studio 27 Solid Works. Shout out to that Brule. That Brule is fire. Those brothers are fire. Watch out for Skilos though. Watch out for Skilos. He's coming with some fucking fire. But yeah, they sent me a link, so I'm gonna tap into that. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tap into that. You want to like put the link here? Will it work? The fuck? No, not to chat. If I put the link here, will it work? That's kind of crazy. No, let me put the link outside and then see bas phuma kanjani. Wow. So Umjida, it's not even his song that he sent me, bruh. It's not even his song. It's a brother called Leeren Flow. He featured ProChxld. The name of the song is eBlawa. And it's done by Shoot Your Shot. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Why? What the fuck? What? Thank you for this, bruh. Like, I didn't know. I know ProChxld is the shit. But I didn't know. Yo, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. Nah, I'm excited to hear this, bruh. I'm actually excited to hear this. Leeren Flow, SA. Nah, let's stop, chat. Let's stop. Leeren what? Leeren Flow, SA. Yeah, that's the one, right? Is that him? Is it the one? Nah. eBlawa. Leeren Flow SA. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing Louis Grand Bafetu Namxolel. From eGrapo. Promo video. No, it's not the official one, Mos. No. It's a promo video. This one I almost watched the wrong thing. Where is... ProChxld. Hey man, I'm only wrong. eBlawa. Yeah. Found it, chat. Shout out to ProChxld all the way from 7100. Sam Leeren, show me what you got, my guy. Shout out to Shoot Your Shot. Okay. Oh, beat cut. Aye.
Sesebenza sangolala ututalili eBlawa sebazeli bayarubuka sijifuta sifulubuka sesebenza sangolala ututalili
I got ProChxld, balole.
Boni busy blow post from Kylie chatina shabalana. See me with the big dogs or with some catch. Shooters more shambi somfaka eBlawa. Yan bamba funa kumnanzwakala funa mangarazwakala zosibona ne wash the stools then I come down to the stool asengami aspeki samtama akekaka yestala bakisana zantana. How come that's not calling and support Mokala? Expected of Popilu Bowser Blacka.
question, how come bafethu kutheni baxa uqala kasi lakho aluhoyi nohoya nje bangathi uphambene ubona ukuthi umnqonqo wakho once ube phaa ngowethu ke lo wakho wethu funeka uba claim uba lo wethu bacinga uba uzabaplaka nje bwa
Semasweni bayangibuka sithi fruit esifuna ukuguga
shout out Leeren, fuck with the verse, bruh. Fuck with the verse.
sesebenza sangolala uthudalili eBlawa semasweni bayangibuka sithi fruit esifuna ukuguga sesebenza sangolala uthudalili eBlawa
Uyabuya
Siyakuhlaba umzimba uyadecline Siyabuza eziwe hayibo uphi umathasa Akabethu uthasa kuthiwa uvaye no-Amanda Thasa uyamthava, thasa unombamba Soze tuka mnani ngabobhi Ngobe ndiqala bengena chomi Nawakapluga, now they be calling When I pull up they be busy be talking Back to back, now money be calling Honey some niggas are busy be offering If you an enemy, putting you close You eat the people that little bit saucy See with the goats and they be shocked as hell Like man what the fuck How is he getting it done? How is he getting the spice? Say they boni my name's like a cool With it at the same time But the kaka my inside Yeah, yes, the inside Semasweni bayangibuka sithi fruit esifuna ukuguga
shout out to ProChxld. So ProChxld came with a hook and then he attended the music video. Fuck with that. Shout out to ProChxld. Now okay, now when you're talking about comparing verses, I feel like verse 1 for me it was the same flow, like even the cadence was the same. But yo, verse 2, okay, sabuya ngezinye way, even the melodies in about the crafting was there when it comes to verse 2. Otherwise, shout out to Leeren flow. I got you, my guy. Now keep going, boys, and keep going, boys. This is fine. If ngai anthem level way, and yes, ngai anthem the way.
Sangolala uthudalili eBlawa semasweni bayangibuka sithi fruit esifuna ukuguga sesebenza sangolala uthudalili eBlawa
Shout out. Shout out. Nah, fuck with this. I hope you produced this thing, Ras. I hope you produced it because that beat sounds like one of your shits. Sounds like one of your, like it sounds like your hand. I hope I'm not wrong. Otherwise, grab stand up. Fucking stand up. Support this brule. Before nifune abe any police, support the brule. Shout out, gang.